Okay, today we're making some salmon, fresh spinach sauteed in olive oil and garlic, and cauliflower per mashed potato type, but it's made with cauliflower. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just removing the skin from the salmon. Some people like the skin, but some people don't. I don't like the skin. So basically I remove the skin from each one of them. Yeah, you just want to try to get a piece and pull it, because if you try to cut the whole fillet, it's going to be tough. So just get a piece of the skin and just pull it, and hold the other piece with your fingers. See, sometimes it can be difficult to rip that thing out. There it is. So now I'm going to score the salmon so the flavor can go inside the fillet. Just like that. In my bowl I have a pinch of salt, pinch of garlic powder, pinch of pepper, pinch of nutmeg, and a pinch of cumin. I like to put some lemon on top, but it's optional. And just put some olive oil on it and rub it. We're not going to use the grill pan that you see there on the right because it tends to stick. So I'm going to use just a regular frying pan. The result is much better. And just repeat the process. Just like that. Okay, over here I have some boiling water for my cauliflower. You want to let it boil while you do all the salmon. And for about 20 minutes, I had put about a teaspoon of salt in my water. I'm going to just switch stove and let it boil for about 20 minutes. You want it to be well done. Salmon needs to cook for about 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes on each side. Just flip them over. Watch out you don't break them, because it happens to me all the time. There you go. Let it go for about 5 to 8 minutes. Yeah, what we did here, we just use about 2 cups of fresh spinach, and I have about 2 cloves of garlic in the pan with a tablespoon of olive oil, and I let the residue from the salmon just to give a little flavor on the spinach. So you'll see it'll reduce very quickly. See how it's already reducing in size? It's not much. It's probably like a cup of spinach. Go easy on the salt because the residue from the salmon is already salted. So go easy on the salt. Okay, so now we have done the spinach, the salmon. We're gonna do the puree of cauliflower. My cauliflower has cooked for about, I'd say 25 minutes. I'm gonna use a hand mixer and completely mush it until it's like a mashed potato. And you see how I go in and make sure that there's no chunks left. This is just one cauliflower. If you have more than, I say that's good enough for about 3 people with one cauliflower. Almost have it puree here. I use a shot glass for the heavy cream. That's okay. I got a tablespoon of butter. When I have half a shot of heavy cream, and a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. And this is some salt and pepper. That's it. Nothing else. Just mix it all up. I have to put it back on the stove because it kind of got cold, and in order to have the butter melted, I put it back on the stove. Just cook until your butter's melted. That's it. This almost tastes like mashed potato. It's unbelievable without the carbs. And there we have it. Mashed potato cauliflower, salmon with cilantro and onions, and fresh spinach. Bon appetit.